From Southside, I'm Bill. I'm Jim. And today we've got an RS1800 Fiesta in. So what we're doing to this then, Jim?
A few little bits and bobs, general tidy up. Got to take the body kit off of it, give it a fresh paint and try and straighten it out so it actually fits. Because it doesn't fit particularly great. I think it's been on and off quite a few times. Sort of welding out on the roof, so take the window out, cut the A-post, got all this out.
It's a bit rotten.
We've got a little repair to do on the roof skin as well. That's not too bad. We've got a pair of front seats for it because it's actually got the wrong seats in it. We've got to paint the back bumper. There's a few little marks here and there that we've got to touch up. Got some wheel bearings to do on it.
Yeah.
Just go through all the suspension on it, do the tracking on it. Got a bit of welding to do on the passenger side sill, which it failed on its MOT. Then, piece de resistance is this little gem under it, which it isn't particularly a gem. Shove that in there. It's obviously had an engine swap at some point, and there's a lot of things that don't really fit. Wiring's terrible in it.
We've got household wire in there.
Yeah, it's just been mackled together at some point. It's obviously had loads of electrical faults. There's connectors in it, all sorts of goodness. But he just wants a bit of a tidy up on it. Really. There's a few bits we've got to find, so we need to get the roof skin, well, we need to get a panel for that, so a roof cut, if possible, because you can't actually buy just the actual bit that we need. So we'll get a roof cut for that. Got to get a windscreen rubber, phone up a glazer of some sort, see if we can get a rubber through it.
Take the windscreen out to do
Yes, cut the windscreen out because the rubber's all perished. It's pretty knackered. It's seen better days. But we'll have to take the seats out, roof lining out, inside trim, touch some roof out, cover everything up. So obviously we can cut that, get that out. Luckily the inside of the actual post itself not too bad. Was it locked? That was rubbish. Should have been ready. Should have been ready.
Yeah, it's not much right in there.
No, it's not too bad, but luckily the inside of the actual post itself is actually solid, from what I can gather. No doubt you'll find some horrors under there. But on the whole, she's not too bad. It's a fairly straight little car. For a 96 plate, something like that, 95, 96. A bit of lack appeal here and there. So, sure we'll be able to sort something out with that. We've got paint for it, customer supplied paint. Base coat and lacquer. Obviously it's not going to be a concours job, because of, obviously we're doing it in a dusty workshop.
Yeah.
But yeah, should be alright.
next episode, Jim?
We've got to cut the roof out.
Yep.
First of all, though, we've got to go and get the roof.
Where are we getting that from?
Somewhere up near the coast.
Yeah.
Somewhere. We've got to go and get that. It's meant to be a mint roof.
Nice.
It's a non-sunroof model, but doesn't matter because we only need a little bit. Then we'll come back and try and fit it. But make sure you like and subscribe. Hopefully you like the videos. Cheers.
See you next time.
Hi guys, welcome to Southside. I'm Joe. Right. Fuck's Jim. Oh, fuck.